Okay, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And usually, guys, on a Sunday I do this video, but I was not feeling too good yesterday, so I wanted to make sure that I am feeling good enough to share with you guys the valuable content. So let's go ahead and share my screen and let's do the weekly withdrawal on FutureNet and Future Adpro. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, hit the subscribe button below. Yeah, it's a big red color button, and you would have like a bell that you can click on. Click on that for any future videos and really follow me in this journey that we have together. Okay, so let's go ahead and share my screen right now, and let's go ahead and see what we have in place. So let's go to the actual board. So let's make that a little bigger for myself. As you can see, I have around 62 ad packs in Future Adpro and a $130 US right now. The funds, I haven't withdrawn anything yet because I wanted to actually do this video live. If you guys don't know, look at the playlist. Okay, there's a playlist that I have on this channel which has only FutureNet and Future Adpro withdrawals. What does that mean? Every single week I take out some money from this platform, and it allows me to maintain my business. It allows me to grow my business, and it keeps me in check. Okay, it keeps the consistency moving. Now, consistency is key, as I always say on this channel, and we're going to talk about the strategy that I personally use in order for me to be consistent. Okay, it's not just about coming out here and doing these videos for you and showing you and documenting this journey. It's about even leveraging systems that we have in place. Okay, I was talking to somebody today earlier, and I was explaining how in general systems exist. Okay, now you in your life, you have various systems that have been developed within you since the time you were a kid. Okay, how are you going to walk? How are you going to eat? And if you notice, like, there are certain countries that eat differently, they have different styles, cultures different. Why? Because it's a system in place. That certain culture has that certain system. That certain society has that certain system. The financial system is different. Okay, the politicians are different. The education is different. Systems exist all over, guys. The difference is that you can leverage such systems to be an advantage for each person. Okay, and society does the same. So what we are doing right now with the system that we put in place is leveraging our time. We want more time freedom. That's the point of these videos. That's the point of me talking to you on this channel, to give you guys more time freedom, to show you that it is possible to have a side hustle going on. I want you to do another favor for me. What you can do is, if you don't believe in what I'm trying to say, this is called profit income. Okay, we are looking at profit income right now. There are 7 main streams of income that I'm focusing on. One of them is earned income from my job. Second is profit income. Okay, and I'm not going to name the other ones because I want you to go and type in Google 7 streams of income. You'll see that there is going to be an article that comes out on LinkedIn, and go ahead and read that article because it's going to be valuable for you. Okay, and I want you to take the effort and do this. Now, let's go ahead and share my strategy with regards to FutureNet and Future Adpro. Now, if you're wondering what FutureNet and Future Adpro is, it is advertising site. Future Adpro is the advertising site, a revenue sharing, yes, I said it, revenue sharing advertising site of FutureNet. The reason why it is stuck above the rest, okay, I've been personally in Future Adpro for the last 2 years, but there has been much more growth in this company that you can imagine, and the only reason why it's sustaining its revenue share is that it's because it has different streams of income coming in. It's not dependent on the advertising. It's not dependent on one thing alone, but it is a combination that allows them to have products and services that are growing day in and day out. And they're coming out with new things. They have even offline stores, cafes, products and service, actual physical besides digital products that they have all in place for you and I to leverage and create an ecosystem of our own. Okay, so this is the advertising side, and I use it to advertise. Okay, I use it to advertise. Let me show you this. Okay, I have my ads here, which I send my traffic to. So as I buy more advertising, let's wait for my internet to load. It's a bit slow, as you can see today. As I get more views, okay, and I actually buy, I use them to send money, sorry, send traffic to each. This is actually one of my affiliates. I'm sending traffic to her website because I think she deserves it, and that's what I'm doing. And then I send to my other advertisements here. And what it does for me, I can leverage the system to see whether things are working for me. Does it work? Am I making good enough sales? Am I not making good enough sales? What is the difference? You know, I know, for example, this ad here gets me on average for leads from Future Ad Pro every single time I send 4 to 10 leads every single time I send an ad and more traffic through this. 4 to 10 leads. So I can focus on getting 4 to 10 leads, 4 to 10 leads, 4 to 10 leads, and I focus on growing that. Okay. So it's a really good thing to have. Now, let's go on to the strategy itself. This is my whole system, guys. Okay, this is one. Now these are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 income streams in itself, and I have one more income stream which is related to wealth generation. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to focus on actually showing you the strategy. So if you watch my videos, every single strategy is the same. Now I have one of the products which is instant pay, okay, and a very good product level and product packages that they have to teach you internet marketing and online marketing is Easy One Up. And then I have FutureNet. Okay, in FutureNet, what I do is every single week, which we're going to do in this video, by the way, I take out $60 US from Future Ad Pro and I put it into traffic. Okay, I put it into traffic. Let's, if I can color this well, otherwise I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, we put into traffic $60 US every single time. From Easy One Up, I aim to get $250 sales. Okay, this is my aim every single time. Why? Then I take 30% of that, which is $75. 30% of that is $75. I take that $75 and I go back, oops. I go back and I take it all the way and I buy some more traffic. So why do I do this? So this combination keeps the machine going. The traffic takes it to the pro system, okay, what is the pro system? The pro system is just a way that I leverage. As I said, we have systems to do the selling and telling for us. I've created the pro system myself in order for me to promote Easy One Up and FutureNet. So while I'm sleeping, this does the selling for me. Okay, do you understand the value of this? And this machine, the moment it puts out sales, 60 goes into traffic, and 30% of my sale, 250 sale, goes into traffic, and the rest goes into my pocket, guys. So the more sales I make here, the more I can generate. And this is, I'm building, as you can see, I'm building an ecosystem for myself. I'm building a self-sustaining machine that I don't have to think, oh, how am I going to scale it? How am I going to purchase traffic? I need traffic. I need a system, and I need products and services. So why not have all of them working for me? Okay, this needs consistency. I cannot stress that more than enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually do the withdrawal right here. But before that, I'm going to go to CoinDeal because I want to show you that I have withdrawn. In fact, let's go to withdraw funds, and I want you guys to see the withdrawal that I made last week. Okay, so I took out money, and this was, I think, around $200 US from CoinDeal, and I sent it to my other wallet, and I'm using now those funds for the whole month of September to actually purchase more traffic. So I already have my funds for September. Now what I'm going to be withdrawing from September is the funds for October. So as you can see, there's always a continuous flow. Okay, there's always a continuous flow. I also want to show you very, 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 very clearly. Let's go here and let's go to wallet details. As you can see, I got this on the 28th. Okay, and I want to go to payout in my business, and I want to show you when I selected a payout in Future Ad Pro for the last amount, which I got here. As you can see, on the 28th it reached me, and if my internet works, okay, so let's scroll down here. As you can see, every single week, guys, every single week, this is all withdrawals. Withdrawals, 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 and this is last week, 26th and 28th, it came out there. Okay, So as you can see, I've been using CoinDeal to withdraw my funds, and I have withdrawn a total of 1,500 so far from Future Adpro. So if you continue to see this withdrawal amount is going to be much higher. Okay, I personally made over 12,500 US dollars in Future Adpro itself. Okay, now guys, these results are not typical. These are my results. You have to put in the work. I did follow the strategy that you can find in the link in the description of this video. Okay, look at the strategy, see what I have to offer. It goes by the tone of this right here. So get an instant commission product and work up to having at least 50 to 60 ad packs in there. Okay, if you have less than that, it's no point doing it. I'm literally telling you, try to work yourself up right up there. Okay, if you're on Future Adpro already, do this. If you're not, then get in and do this. Okay, just my honest feedback to you, because I'll show you it's a consistent withdrawal every single week because of it. Now, let's go ahead and take out some money on my account. So let's go ahead and withdraw 60. Actually, I can withdraw 120, but I don't want to. We will withdraw 60. Okay, 60 in Bitcoin. Scroll down. Here they ask me for my password, so that's gotta be put in there. Okay, here's correct, and I need now something. So I'll go to deposit because I want to deposit funds. I want to copy this, and I'm going to go here and paste it. So I know for a fact now that I have put the right email, the right address here. Okay, and I go ahead and I click on payout. Okay, done. Now what I need to do is I need to go to my Gmail. Okay, so let's go to my Gmail. Should send, and I'm going to show you right here. If I scroll down, actually I refresh this page, and let's scroll down. You can see right here it's waiting for email confirmation. So in my email, you can open down here and you can see, do you want a payout of 60 US dollars? So this week, guys, 3rd of September, it should be the 2nd, which I'm doing the withdrawal, but doesn't really matter. I'm doing it on a Monday right now. I will do my next withdrawal on a Sunday. And you can see right here, okay, there is a confirmation. I'm going to click on yes, and we'll wait for it to load. You see this, waiting for email confirmation. Here, it'll let it load, and you will see that it is waiting now. Okay, now let's refresh this page because you can see it as well here, and I want you guys to understand that this is the process of withdrawing. So 2 things you're going to see. Once the withdrawal amount is confirmed, okay, once the withdrawal amount is confirmed, this will go up to whatever amount, 1,500 and 55 or 60 or whatever it is, the amount that is getting withdrawn. Okay, when I withdraw the fees, there are 2 things that happen, guys. One is the total amount, then is 5% goes to the future net. So that's the other side, the social media side of the business. Then is your actual payout and your fee, okay, that you need to pay. And then it is the final payout amount. So if I scroll down, you can see like the final amount is 57. This is the fee for FutureNet, $3. This is the fee for CoinDeal, and this is how much I have. So mine is basically 5. I will be waiting for 55. And if you see the account here, it's going to the same wallet as it went to last time. So you know it's me, and I'm withdrawing to the same wallet right here in CoinDeal. Now I will wait for a month until everything gets accumulated, and then I will withdraw it from CoinDeal in order for me to purchase more traffic. And this happens month after month. Guys, this is the second or maybe almost second month that I'm doing this, and watch carefully because it's going to be much more to come. And if you haven't got started yet, the link is in the description. Get Future Adpro, get Easy One Up, and let's begin this journey together. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I cannot guarantee you the same results, but I can definitely put the effort and work ethic that I have into your business as well, and so can you. Okay? Have a great day. Keep in touch, and let me know what you think in the comment section of this video. Have a great day. See you on the next one.